Welcome back. In this part, we are finally bringing our blog to life by displaying real data using external APIs. I will show you how to render dynamic blog cards with category, images, and descriptions, all inside responsive UI built with shadcn and Tailwind. Let's get straight into it. So to get started, we need a component uh, for blogs. So let's make a blog card.tsx component and forward function blog card and image type. Let's give some props to it. Category and let's make an interface for it. Interface blog card props and string title string description is also string and category is a string. And let's define it. Log controls and let's return. Okay, now we need a card. So let's install person card npx person letter and card. Proceed. Let's wait for the count to install and it's been installed. Let's import card, card content and card header from component UI card. Let's start with the card. Let's give some classes to it. Over shadow and view transition all duration 300 rounded to XL also hidden BG and for dark theme let's have BG Z 900 border then 200 border rim 800. Okay, Let's make a div, give a class name, height 48, width 4, overflow hidden, and let's give img here, src image, or time will be title. Let's give a class object color red full height full transition transform duration 300 or can 105, and let's go image tag here. Next we need a card header. Let's give a span category. Let's give a class name, text CSS, font media, text link 600 down, text link 400 bgn 100 down, bg using 800 px2 py1 rounded 4 width and fit. Okay, let's make a card content, give a class name, place -2, and h2 will be for the title, class name, text lg, font, semi, bold, text link 900, text white, lineage clamp 2. Okay, let's make paragraph for the description. Class A, text sm, text ring 600, dark text ring 400, lineage clamp 3. Okay, that's it. That's it for block cards. Okay, let's use this block card on the main page. So on the home page basically, uh, let's create a section here and give it a class, a container, mx art to px4 py can grid calls 1 sm grid calls 2 lg grid lg grid calls 3 gap 6. Uh, for now, let's place a dummy data so that we can check that GUI is working correctly or not. Let's use dummy block dot map and block here next for the key, and let's have a block called component here. Let's give it a key index. Image will be block dot image title would be block dot title description block dot description, and category will be block dot category. Okay, we are using some extra. No, it's not closed. It's because we are not using some extra, but we have to close this component to make it work. So this is good. Okay, let's run the application. See if it is working or not, and how it is working. Okay, uh, it is working, and we have blogs, dummy blog showing up. Okay, let's now create message ready for API. First of all, let's make an .env local file make underscore public underscore API URL equal to http localhost 4500 slash API finish, and I have next public API underscore sorry, image underscore URL http localhost 35. Okay, let's make an service get from public blog.ts. Mark it as use server as URL is equal to process.env.next.js URL as string export get public blog same try and catch const ras is equal to array fetch. Let's put URL here, and for my local server I have this out for public blog. Let's define a method, which is a get method. Let's say no cache, and also let's define headers, content type, application, JSON. Now content type is equal to array JSON and return that here, and return. Let's save it. Let's go to public blog, make it async function here, and let's see. Const blog is equal to array get public blogs and const, and let's console.log blog and see what we are getting in the console. Okay, we are getting blogs, but how our data is coming? We have total count, page, total pages, and data array. So we have to define. Let's get rid of these new blocks. Let's define interface for blog. And blog we have a total count, which is a number, page, the number as well. Page, page is also a number. Total pages is also a number, and we have a data. And let's say blog data, and let's give blogs array, and let's give an interface of blog. So, okay, blog have an ID, user, and user itself an ID and a name. Then we have a title, which is a string. We have a description, which is a string as well. Image, string as well. Category, we have underscore ID is string, and content is string as well. And let's make it a blog data. Now let's define blog dot data and map that data in blog dot category dot content. And for image, we are getting an absolute path like this. So we need image URL. So what we'll do here, we make another variable called image URL equal to process dot env dot page dot string, and now we will concatenate with it image URL plus blog image, and let's save it and see if it's working. Yeah, it is working. We have four blogs being shown here, and this is complete. Uh, it's a server component, and we have created a server file as well where we are fetching the data, and then we are calling that function here. And so in this complete scenario, we are not using any use effect, any hook to call this. So basically, whenever the page refreshes or data changes or anything happens, it, it will always make an API call because of no cache and will return the new data. So if the page refreshes or the page changes, API call uh, will bring the new data always. So this is it for this video, I guess, and I will meet with you on the next ones where we will try to make some uh, s- filters here, like filter by category or something like that. Also, search by title, how to do pagination also using server component. So pagination using server component, we don't need a client component or button for that. We will handle uh, pagination on server component as well. So yes, I will meet with you in the next video. If you are following the series and liking it, please consider subscribing the channel. Thank you so much for watching.